Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little sneaky what I ate today video. You guys love these and I thought it'd be perfect to bring in the new year because I know a lot of people's New Year's resolutions is to be healthier and live a healthier lifestyle. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So for breakfast I'm just making a smoothie bowl. So I'm just popping in some frozen banana, frozen berries, a big handful of spinach, some protein powder, and some oats, and I'm just blending that out with some almond milk. I also added a whole lot of water as well, but I didn't show that on camera. But I like to do like half almond milk, half water. Blend that bad boy up, tip it in a bowl, and top it with your favorite ingredients. I used some granola, some flaked coconut, and some blueberries. And then for lunch I just had a coleslaw salad. It was delicious and full of healthy food. As for my snack, I've been loving nectarines in summertime because it's just the perfect weather for them and they're my favorite fruit. So of course I'm having a nectarine, and then I'm having some paleo shortbread cookies that I made for Christmas. I didn't get around to filming the video, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, it's just like a paleo shortbread cookie and they were amazing as well. And then as for dinner, I had some dairy-free butter chicken. This is my go-to dinner recently. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. But I'm just cutting up some carrots, some beans, broccoli and zucchini as my vegetables of choice, and then just cubing up some chicken breast and then topping it with all of the herbs and spices and coconut milk. I'll leave the actual recipe down below. You don't have to use all of the herbs and spices, but I feel like it just gives it like the most truest kind of butter chicken flavor, because butter chicken that you buy in the shop is full of salt and just like a lot of bad things. So I try to make it at home. Even though it doesn't taste as good, it's still pretty good. So I'll leave the recipe down below if you guys want to make it. Highly recommend it. I'm absolutely obsessed. So now I'm just plating up the butter chicken with some brown rice, and yeah, that was all I ate today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up for me if you did. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, join our family, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Bye!